Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lemon Maggi. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick and flavorful meal. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, ensuring everything is prepped and ready to go. You'll need just 1 packet of Maggi, a fresh lemon, and a few common kitchen staples. It's a fantastic way to elevate your instant noodles with a zesty twist, ready in just a few minutes. Now, let's get cooking. First, bring 2 cups of water to a rolling boil in a medium-sized pan. Once the water is bubbling, carefully add your Maggi noodles along with the entire Tastemaker packet. Stir everything gently to ensure the noodles separate and cook evenly. Let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the noodles are perfectly tender, absorbing all that wonderful flavor. This is where the magic happens, and we add that signature lemon zest. While your noodles are cooking, finely chop 1 small onion and 1 green chili for a little kick. Once the Maggi is almost done, stir in the chopped onion and chili. Then, the star ingredient, squeeze the juice from 1/2 of a fresh lemon directly into the pan. This brightens the entire dish, giving it an incredible tangy flavor. To complete our delicious lemon Maggi, it's time for the final touches. Once you've stirred in the lemon juice, transfer your hot Maggi to a serving bowl. For an extra burst of freshness and color, sprinkle a generous amount of freshly chopped coriander leaves over the top. Serve it immediately while it's warm and aromatic. This zesty, flavorful dish is ready to be enjoyed in under 10 minutes, a perfect quick meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.